Deep underground, a miner's heavy pickaxe shatters. Subterranean rock walls beneath high-contrast spotlights echoing through a dark, dust-filled mining shaft. Muddy hands reach directly into the rough rock debris, extracting a crude, dim, unrefined crystal glowing faintly under a headlamp light. High-pressure water jets immediately blast away the thick layer of packed mud, revealing the raw, natural contours of an untouched rough diamond. This unpolished stone is carefully placed into a stainless steel slot inside a heavy-duty security box. The heavy lid snaps shut, and a digital passcode is entered, triggering a red LED indicator that confirms an airtight electronic seal. Armed tactical security personnel in full uniform carry the secure container straight into a cold industrial subterranean mine elevator. Outside, the container is handed through the open window of a waiting armored transport truck idling inside a concrete tunnel. The heavy armored vehicle rolls smoothly through giant security gates, guarding the perimeter of a modern, high-tech processing center. The security officer scans the barcode printed on the box's exterior, displaying a clear green cleared status on the monitoring screen. Sliding along a conveyor belt, the stainless steel box passes through a sweeping green laser security inspection grid, carrying the verified box. A clean room expert dressed in a sterile, full bunny suit steps into a high-velocity air shower chamber to remove all ambient dust particles. An iris scanner reads the expert's retina, causing the heavy tempered glass door of the sterile laboratory to slide open smoothly. After entering the secondary access passcode, the technician unlocks the box and uses precision tweezers to retrieve the rough carbon stone under bright studio lights. The expert lowers the raw diamond into a stainless steel tank filled with an advanced chemical cleaning solution, sparking immediate microscopic bubbling across its outer crystal surface. Submerged high-pressure water jets fire directly at the gem, scouring off stubborn mineral crusts and surface impurities. Deep below, an industrial ultrasonic generator activates, producing millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub deep into micro-fissures. An automated dipping mechanism slowly elevates the perfectly cleansed rough diamond from the chemical solution as liquid droplets cascade downward in slow motion. The pristine crystal is placed onto the clear glass stage of an industrial microscope where ring LED lights illuminate every surface detail during manual focus adjustment. Next, the gem is moved onto a microelectronic balance, where the LED readout settles precisely at 42.315 carats. The rough stone is then centered on the rotating glass pedestal of a Sarine 3D scanning system. Interlocking red and green laser lines penetrate the diamond, mapping internal crystal structures and pinpointing every microscopic inclusion. A single keyboard command triggers advanced optimization software, outputting a three-dimensional rotating polygon model to maximize economic yield. A mechanical robotic arm smoothly transports the rough stone into a multi-axis laser cutting chamber. Precision stainless steel clamps lock onto the diamond, securing it with absolute sub-micron accuracy. A water jet-guided laser fires its initial shaping beam, sending bright sparks flying as a micro-water jet cools the crystal against thermal shock cracking. Sweeping along pre-programmed axes, the laser cuts clean through the carbon structure, leaving perfectly flat faces without surface fracture lines. A robotic clamp separates the primary rough block from the excess rock, leaving a rough shape ready for brilliance. This shaped diamond block is mounted tightly into the mechanical chuck of a precision robotic faceting arm, lowering the gem onto a high-speed rotating disc. Impregnated with fine diamond powder, bright sparks and tiny particles spray outward like miniature fireworks. The automated arm rotates step by step across multi-axis points, cutting and polishing each individual crown facet with absolute mathematical precision, tilting to an exact angle of 41 degrees. The robotic arm shapes each sharp pavilion facet beneath shimmering flashes of reflected light. The topmost table facet is then pressed flush against the disc, achieving a mirror-like polish that reflects ambient light effortlessly. The clamp disengages, releasing a completed, brilliant cut diamond that bursts with an intense lens flare. The gem drops into a compact ultrasonic bath, where gentle agitation instantly dissolves lingering grinding dust from the facets. An automated stainless steel mesh basket lifts the sparkling diamond, scattering brilliant rainbow light across the cleanroom environment. The diamond is placed onto the reading tray of a spectrophotometer, sliding smoothly into a darkened inner testing chamber. Under automated ultraviolet light, the stone emits a vivid blue fluorescent glow, revealing its optical clarity and spectral character. Transferred to a Hearts and Arrows viewer, an expert aligns an optical camera lens directly over the top table facet. The optical camera display confirms flawless symmetry, showing 8 perfectly uniform hearts and 8 identical arrows. A brass holding fixture clamps the lower pavilion, leaving the thin girdle edge open for marking. A micro laser fires precise high-intensity pulses, etching a unique identification serial number, smaller than a human hair, onto the girdle. High-pressure steam jets blast through a fine needle nozzle, instantly removing residual carbon soot from the micro-inscription. A burst of sterile compressed air dries the surface, completely restoring maximum refraction across every angle. The expert peers through a jeweler's loupe, inspecting the microscopic laser serial number to ensure flawless accuracy. An industrial printer outputs a high-security 4C certification document detailing the diamond's cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. The expert signs the document with a high-end pen and applies an embossed security seal to the corner. On the computer terminal, entering the official valuation displays a green message confirming a $10,000 assessment. The signed 4C certificate is laid flat at the bottom of a luxury black lacquer wooden box. A rich, dark blue velvet lining tray is fitted directly over the paper, forming a striking background for the final product. The lacquered box glides along a brushed stainless steel final packaging conveyor belt. A robotic arm lowers a crystal clear glass tube bottle into the custom central recess of the blue velvet tray. The $10,000 diamond is carefully placed into the glass tube, which is immediately filled with protective inert gas. An optical sensor sweeps across the container, verifying that the gem rests in its proper, secure position. A robotic capping assembly lowers and rotates, tightening a sleek metal cap onto the tube opening until it clicks. A vacuum suction chamber lowers over the cap, measuring internal pressure to confirm a completely leak-proof environment. An automatic labeling machine applies a multicolored holographic anti-counterfeiting seal, extending from the metal cap down the glass tube body. An optical reader fires a red laser across the hidden barcode on the hologram, authenticating the product's identity. The black lacquer box lid snaps shut and is set snugly inside a rugged alloy security briefcase before metal latches snap down firmly. A large robotic arm lifts the alloy briefcases onto a wooden pallet, wrapping the stack in tight protective stretch film. Finally, a forklift drives the sealed pallet deep into the cargo bay of an armored transport truck, and the heavy rear doors slam shut, sealing the $10,000 diamond for transit.